Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and scrunchies are coming back, guys. I really like these from Ivyu. This is in their brown pink color set, and it comes with all of these really neutral colors and also this cream one, which right now is my favorite. I do have curly hair, and it's really important that if you do have curly hair, that you are using a silk or a very soft scrunchie like this one, because it's not going to cause any damage, and that's why I originally got these. And so I would say they are working perfectly, whether I want to put these in my hair at night or during the day. I wear them all the time. They're very comfortable, and I like the variety of colors here. It has these really pretty brown golden colors, this light pink, kind of a rosé color, and then you also have this bright cream color and a black in there as well. So really can go with any outfit, and I would highly recommend, not just for their comfort level, but they're a great value for what you get, and that's my point of view.